Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Microsoft Edge and confirming you're in the profile that controls search settings. Once done, click the three dots at the top right to open the menu. This is where Edge stores its configuration. You need to choose Settings because that central panel houses privacy and services options. This step begins the actual change. You're not just viewing options, you're moving into the controls that affect safe search behavior across your browsing sessions. Now, in Settings, choose Privacy, Search, and Services to reach the controls for how Edge treats web results. Scroll down until you find Services, then open Address Bar and Search to see search-specific options. This organizes engine preferences and safe search toggles. Locate the Safe Search control and set it to Off if you want all results, or Moderate if you prefer some filtering. You're doing this to control content filtering at the browser level, rather than relying on the search engine defaults. Finish by restarting Edge so the changed Safe Search preference applies across open tabs and new searches. If you still see filtering, make sure you're signed into the right Microsoft account and verify family safety or organizational policies aren't enforcing Safe Search. Those will override browser settings. Also check extensions. Some content filters remain active. Temporarily disable them to test. If that fixes it, re-enable extensions one at a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.